Corduroy is a pile fabric. The pile or cords of the corduroy fabric is always formed with the filling yarn. The cords or wales may number from 1 to 22 per inch of fabric. Corduroy can be made with one warp and 1 or 2 fillings. When 2 types of filling are used, the fabric is called ground pick corduroy. Corduroy can be made as single binder or double binder. Double binder is when 2 ends are weaving as one in the warp. Corduroy can also have a V-shaped pile, a W-shaped pile, or a combination of both. The choice of binder and pile shape affects the cost and performance of the fabric. The V-pile is the simplest to cut, but once cut, the pile has a higher tendency to come out of the fabric. The W-pile, due to its multiple interlacings with the ground warp, is less likely to be pulled out from the fabric during use and care. Some corduroy has a combination of both V and W. Usually seen in wide wale goods, the W will add to the stability of the outside of the wale, and the V will give each wale good height in the middle. The result can be a very pronounced wale. After the fabric comes off the loom, the pile picks must be cut. A specially shaped guide needle is inserted in the fabric above the ground ends and picks, but below the pile picks. A rotary knife is inserted in the slot of the needle and is lowered so that it will cut the pile picks but not the ground fabric. In wide wale corduroy, each wale is cut during a single pass, but with fine wale corduroy, it is necessary to cut half the cords during a first pass. On the second pass through the knives, the remaining uncut cords are cut. Normally, every other wale is cut on the first pass, and the remaining wales are cut on the second pass. All wales cannot be cut at the same time due to the limitations of the cutting machine. This extra pass through the knives adds considerably to the cost of the finished fabric, as well as the chance of creating seconds.